Souls recognize each other by vibes, not by appearances. Successful relationships are two people sharing priorities. Sometimes you create your own heartbreaks through expectations. Opposites attract for single people, but not for those in a relationship. Don't go back to less just because you are too impatient to wait for better. You're not antisocial. You're just selective. You deserve a selective dating app. Chasing people won't make them stay. Distance can be your new response. Fall for a relationship, not a person.